Hello, Satnam. My name is Kiranjot. I'm a Kundalini Yoga teacher based in London, UK. And this is a guided meditation video created on behalf of Women in Mind, which is a global company who create and curate beautiful products and services for women to delight the senses and enrich the soul. So I hope you enjoy. Wasma Mansour, the founder, asked me to teach you something about the breath, because the breath is such a valuable resource that most of us don't use to its full potential. And it's very, very good to do a little bit of breath work every day. The yogis call it pranayama or pranayam. It means taking the life force from the breath, and you can only do that if you do it consciously with awareness. That's all. You're just bringing your entire concentration onto the breath. We do this through control. Most of us, most of the time, are breathing automatically. We're not thinking about it. When you're doing your pranayama, you're thinking about it. You're controlling your breath. And when you start to control your breath, you start to control your mind. And when you start to control your mind and all those thoughts that generate feelings, that generate emotions, that affect your hormonal system, and whoa, particularly if you are one of those people who really like roller coasters, up and down all the time, and you drive yourself crazy, yeah? Either through this constant up and down or the fact that you can't shut your mind off when you want to. So this is the trick. Breath controls the mind. It's really simple. It's that simple. So this is a short meditation that we call constant self-authority. That means having no doubt about yourself and your abilities and your capabilities and your decision-making process. We all have doubts, but I do think women particularly get burdened or burden themselves and carry more doubt than the average man. I'm not saying men don't have doubt or doubt themselves, but they are so much more confident than women. It's ridiculous. We question ourselves, we undermine ourselves, we paralyze ourselves, and this can go on for years, a lifetime. So it's time to switch it up. It's time to change it. So this is simple. It just takes 3 minutes of your time, longer if you have the time. It's a beautiful, such a soothing practice. You feel so peaceful doing it. So let's begin, hey? You put your thumb on this bit of your hand that we call the mound of Mercury. So this is communication. So you stimulate that point by putting a little bit of pressure, with your thumb, and then you wrap your fingers, which represent elements, and you hold them in the center of your chest, right in front of your heart chakra. And look, it creates like a little heart shape. It's really nice. And we're going to breathe in through the nose, long, slow, and deep. Out through the mouth, long, slow, and not deep, out of the mouth. And then you're going to breathe in again. You kind of pass your lips a bit, like you're sucking up a straw. Deep into your tummy, and then push your tummy to push the breath now out of the nose. So you keep switching. You go in through the nose, out through the mouth, In through the mouth, out through the nose. And you keep switching. Okay, so bring your hands into your chest. And one last thing, your eyes, you bring them to one pointed focus. This will really help your concentration. Feel quite strong because you're working your optic nerve, but you look at the tip of your nose, press your hands together and start breathing in this way. Hold yourself really still. Stretch your spine, sit up.
Lift the soul to a holy vibration, healing nation. Lift the soul to a holy vibration, healing nation. Lift the soul to a holy vibration, healing nation. Lift the soul to a holy vibration, healing nation.
Breathe as slowly as you can.
Lift the soul to a holy vibration, healing nation. Lift the soul to a holy vibration, healing nation. Lift the soul to a holy vibration, healing nation. Lift the soul to a holy vibration, healing nation. Lift the soul to a holy vibration, healing
Excellent. Next time you breathe in, hold the breath in and stretch your arms up over your head. And take a couple of big breaths, opening and closing your hands, maybe shaking them out. Keep your eyes closed, keep your awareness inside of yourself. Feel the space that you've created for yourself and go and sit in it. Just take a couple more nice, deep, big, conscious breaths. And that was 3 minutes, and just feel how peaceful, how quickly you can change how you feel. That was just 3 minutes. If you like that, you can go on for longer. If you like that, I suggest you do that every day, particularly if you suffer with self-doubt, because a regular practice of this meditation will give you constant self-authority. I'm wishing you all the very best for all that you do. Lots of love. Sat Nam.